time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1975 MG MGB Convertible. This particular car, I believe this would be Tahiti blue or bright blue. Has had a repaint along the line. Appears to be the original color. Underneath the hood, 1.8 liter, otherwise known as a 1798 cc 4-cylinder engine. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, of course. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this car, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It can take you right there, and of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. A few little kind of scuffs in the bumper up here. As far as paint, it shows well. I mean, is it perfect? No. But for one that you want to get in and drive, have some fun with, still looks good. Take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Oh, that Sunday cruise, previous owner said car is very reliable. They wouldn't be afraid to drive it anywhere. It's riding on Goodyear Assurance radials. Those are just a couple years old. White vinyl top, and I'll get that up here at the end of the video and let you check that out before we wrap this video up and explain a few things there to you too. A little aftermarket radio has been installed in an AM/FM cassette. Did have that working. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a peek down the driver's side here. And like I said, we'll fire it up, let you hear it run, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap it up showing you that convertible top. Interior also decent shape, pretty much free of rips, tears, holes in the cloth or vinyl seats, kind of a combination. And that 4-speed manual. Interior looks pretty stock, I see, with the exception again of that radio. Looks like someone has an amp meter here, of course. The choke, pull that out a tad. Let's fire this up. I haven't started it here today, so let's go ahead and fire it up. Close that door, get rid of the buzzer. All right, can see. Oh, so I'll say, shouldn't put that choke in quite so soon. Again, let her warm up just a little bit here. See, the tachometer does work. Looks like oil pressure gauge also working. Assuming that temp gauge is going to come up with the temperature of the engine. And it looks like we've got about a quarter tank of fuel over here. All right. Push that choke in all the way. See the RPMs go down. Yeah. Radio does work. Blower fan also worked. It was blowing at defrost a little bit ago. All right. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. And we'll check out that engine bay. What you would expect, I would say, out of a MG as far as sound. Again, 1.8 liter. That's a 1798 cc engine. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. FYI, if I remember right on these, the hood release is way up underneath the dash. There should be a pull. There we go. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second because I'll get a prop rod. Take that back. This one doesn't have a prop rod. For one-handed. There we go. There'll also be pictures of all the markings as far as any engine codes listed down the side here, the VIN plate, and any of those will be in the still pictures. There's probably I would say close to 100 pictures of this car online, if not more. There you go. All right, there's a chance to hear it run. I'm going to turn it off so I can lower that hood. We'll pop up the top. I want to show you that and go through a couple things also.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here's the top up. Again, white vinyl, and to me it appears like it's the original top. The previous owners of this vehicle did not drive it hardly ever with the top up. So it has been down for some time. It needs to sit out in some warm weather. Unfortunately, where I'm at right now, it is not going to help it to sit outside, soak in the sun. So it'll get a little more pliable, and then a guy can snap it all the way down. But as far as functioning, and there's a few little wear areas that you can see there, but it's going to serve the purpose. Keep you out of the sun, keep you dry. It fits nice up in the front. I do have it latched there, so you get an idea. So there you go, and how many times you're really going to drive with the top up on this one. $1975 MG MGB. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it.